Today, we're diving into a practical guide: how to add your EBT card to DoorDash. For many, DoorDash offers a convenient way to have meals delivered to your doorstep, but navigating payment options, especially with EBT cards, can seem confusing. Let's break it down step by step. Firstly, it's essential to know that DoorDash does accept EBT cards, but with some limitations. EBT, Electronic Benefits Transfer, is typically used for the SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, which has restrictions on what can be purchased. These restrictions extend to the types of food you can order through DoorDash. To start adding your EBT card to DoorDash, ensure you have the latest version of the DoorDash app installed on your smartphone. This will ensure a smooth process without any hiccups due to outdated app versions. Once you've got the app updated, open it and navigate to the account settings. Here you'll find the option to add a new payment method. Select this option, and among the list of accepted payment methods, you'll see an option for EBT cards. Selecting this option will prompt you to enter your EBT card information, much like you would with any other card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After entering your EBT card details, you might be asked to verify your card. This process can vary depending on your location and the specific requirements of your EBT program. Following the on-screen prompts will guide you through this verification process. It's worth noting that while you can add your EBT card to DoorDash, not all orders can be paid for with EBT benefits. DoorDash typically allows the use of EBT cards for eligible grocery items through their DoorDash Essentials and certain local grocery delivery options. This means that, unfortunately, hot meals or prepared foods from restaurants are generally not eligible for purchase with EBT through DoorDash. Understanding these limitations is crucial for a seamless experience when using your EBT card on DoorDash. Remember, the goal is to ensure that everyone has access to the food they need within the guidelines provided by the SNAP program. In conclusion, adding your EBT card to DoorDash is a straightforward process that opens up new possibilities for using your SNAP benefits. Always remember to check for eligible items and stay informed about the types of purchases that your benefits will cover. Thank you for watching. Navigating EBT payments on modern platforms like DoorDash can be simple with the right information. We hope this guide helps you make the most out of your benefits and DoorDash's services. Enjoy your meals and see you in our next guide.